Guys, today we're going to implement line of sight, but in order to do that, unfortunately, we have a small little issue to fix first. The rendering. You can see that the red lines are below, above the trees. They are supposed to be below them, not above them. And that has to do with me not writing into the depth buffer. The tree is a transparent object that unfortunately has a shadow. Good morning, Cakez. Hey, Cappuccino, good morning. So what do I do here? I cannot write into the depth buffer when drawing a transparent object. How do I effectively sort this? I can't, because it's drawn in the unlit pass. Let's wait for Superco. Mr. Collector of Stuff, we don't have room for your negativity today, okay? For your negativity, you know, it's not in the right spot today, okay? Help me, my tiny. Hello there, Goosefed. That's an interesting first message you have there. But you just go have a good suggestion. Cakez has this handled, hashtag believe. Yeah, I think I have this handled. Let's talk through this. So the transparent trees, there is a possible solution. I can disconnect the tree from the shadow and then draw the opaque tree first. That writes to the depth buffer, and then draw the shadow after that. That doesn't write to the depth buffer, but does depth testing. And then the circle here does depth testing too. However, the issue is, I mean, yeah, the circle would then be behind the tree. Is that what I want? Well, I think it is. Steam? You need to be louder, Romco. Hello, we can't hear you. Help me. Please help me. Why would you want that? Why would I want that? Well, because Bloons does it too. And we can take a look at Kingdom Rush as well. But Kingdom Rush doesn't have any obstacles. Sounds like it would look bad. Well, we'll see. Hello, Cakez. Hello, Lolboy. My man. How's it going? I need some water. My voice is always, in the beginning of the stream, is always screechy. There we go. If I click on this, well, the line is on top. However, the red background is not. So it's essentially two draw calls. You can see that the color of the house doesn't change. It's just the no, not the background. Yeah, it's just the background. The ground. However, the object itself is not affected by the red. Except for the red line. Render docket, there's no point. You can already see. And we actually had someone render docket already. That was AQ on Discord. Valve hardware survey, not right now, bro. Not right now. May someone do live coding and teach me. Guys, someone wanna do live coding and teach Ryan? Alright, so let's see here. I think it was here. Was it? Or maybe in game dev. Shit, I clicked on showcase. Oh my god. Mark unread.
Gotcha, bitch.
I'm an idiot. Let's see. Yeah, you see that? Before they draw the obstacles, they, you know, change the color of the map. Oh, this guy again. Let me ban him. Bitch. Okay. So, How would we do that in our game? It's actually very easy if I manage to get it right. So it's ground, object, shadows, circle, background, objects, circle border. Yeah, the circle border is always on top. I mean, Okay, let me check on Kingdom Rush. I actually have played Kingdom Rush off stream a little bit. I got to a very difficult. Haha. It's somewhat, the circle is somewhat hidden. Sometimes, if there is an obstacle. What if I have a building and then build another one? The building itself is not affected. So the circle is like drawn actually below that building. Interesting. And this is a physical object here, which is why it's in front. We can't do that now. Let's do it later. No. I think it's a good, interesting idea. Hello there, Synth Byte. Good morning. So it's very hard? No, it's not very hard. I have a possible solution. Essentially, I would even have to probably draw the circle twice. I draw it once and then some other time with just the outline. If I disconnect that. Okay, let me try something here. We see the circle here, right? What is that? Dot frag? Come on. Is it quad dot frag? Yeah. Do we need this? I don't think we do. Here we go. Hey! Why are you complaining? So, what I'm trying to do now is... Oh god, that's difficult. I just want to draw the white outline. How do I do that? Hello, Cakez. That's collector of stuff. Hello there, collector of stuff. He even has a sub on his second account. Like, goodness. Guys, who gifted a sub to a second account? Hello there, Avatar. Good morning. How's it going? It's literally the same person. Collector is committed. It's like a view bot of one person, like two people. Who is this collector of you speak of? Yeah, sure. Who is this collector you speak of, huh? Let me see. Go over here. Let's take a look at this. Account created yesterday. Following since yesterday. Interesting. Interesting, to say the least. If I get banned, I swear. Sub for 1 month. Yeah, right? Really sus. Alright, let's see here. I want to discard this if the length squared is greater or equals to 1. And I want to discard... How do we do this? And... Like this, I guess. Length squared is less than or equals to... Sorry about that. Sorry. The outline start. Wait. Hey! Why? It's a float. What? Oh. How did that happen? Why is that? Huh? Guys, I hate shaders. Outline start conflicts with previous declaration. No way. Oh, I'm an idiot. Sorry about that, guys. Huh? What? Wait a minute. I want to discard the pixels, bro. Huh? Wait. Huh? What? Hello, Mr. Cakez. Hope you're well. Huh? Okay, wait. Okay, wait, I have an idea. So over here, the outline start, right? We're gonna do the obstacles. I'm just gonna do another if check after the obstacles. If length squared is greater or equals to outline start, discard. Huh? Wait, no. If it's less than or equals to. Aha! Now we just have the outline.
Commit and push immediately and go back in.
Now what do we have here? Now we have the outline disconnected from the actual ring. Now, how? We need to draw 2 times the same thing. This would be the ring. Yeah, this would be the ring. Now we need to make it so that the ring is on top and the... Well, the issue is, if I make it affected by lighting, then it always looks different. Which makes it gives it a weird feel. So I think what I have to do...
Gotcha, bitch!
...is actually... we have to disconnect the trees from each other, but this sucks, man, because I have like a really nice shadow here. I don't actually want that. So, like, for those of you who just came in, hello there, Le Pepe. You must have a very rested mind. The issue that I'm talking about right now that I don't like with my current setup is if I get rid of this discard here. Essentially what happens in the game is the following. We draw the trees in the transparent layer of the game. They are affected by lighting. So for example, if I turn the lights off. See that? Something like that. The trees are affected by that lighting change, which makes sense because they're in the world. However, this circle is not. And how does that work? Well, we first draw the entire world together with the transparent objects. And we do dev testing. And the trees are transparent objects in the game because they have a shadow below them. Now, once I'm done with that, I start drawing the lighting. I apply, you know, the ambient light and the light sources. Right now, we don't have any light sources or very dim ones. These two right here. You see that? And once I'm done with that, I draw unlit objects that are supposed to be on top of this world. And the issue is that, excuse me, because of that, the ring appears on top. Because whenever I draw a transparent tree, it doesn't write to the dev buffer. And therefore, what is it called? It doesn't write to the dev buffer, and therefore we don't have any dev testing being done on this tree because it doesn't exist. And therefore it is just drawn on top of the tree. Which is not what I want. I wanted this red slice chart to be behind the tree. And so essentially what I think I have to do, unfortunately, is Split the foliage again. That's actually pretty neat, but there's something like there was an invisible tree in the road. There was an invisible tree on the road. Hey, just stop to say that I will leave immediately because I'm going to have a good lunch.
Big retard, don't help.
So you just wanted the big retard? Okay, couldn't agree. Hello there. See you later. See you later, sir. I tried to take a screenshot. There's no... Is there one? I don't see a tree on the road. I would see it. Sup, boys. Hello, Blue Oak. Good morning. On YouTube. Are trees ever truly transparent? What is that number? Oh, this is the number for the circle. I was debugging the circle to make it look cool. That's all it is. It's a number that goes from, I think, 1 to 1.5. It's basically the size of the outer ring that expands out. Hey, morning chat, morning Cakez. How you all doing? Hello there. Good, doing good, bro. Hope you do good too. Let me think. I don't want to spend too much on this, but it's important. So what would be the first course of action to test? Do I change the foliage again? Or for now, do I draw them not transparently? Let's see. That would probably fix the issue already. But let's see.
Gotcha, bitch.
Okay, so that's when the trees are not transparent. That's what it would look like. But even the circle is behind the trees now. Now, should we do that? I'm gonna ban him. Should we do this? Where's the ban? Yeah, I was working on it. I always do right click instead of left click. Difficult to say. I mean, this looks really good here. You know, I like that. However, obviously the shadow is dog shit, which means... Unfortunately, I have to... disconnect the shadow from the foliage. Which means we have to do the stupid level loading shit again that we did yesterday. And in order to do that, I first have to load the other levels. Okay, it doesn't really load them. It looks like... what the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened? Okay, that doesn't work anymore. That's fine, that's fine. We're gonna redesign the levels anyways. I'm just gonna delete them. That's okay. Hell doesn't exist, don't be afraid of death and you will be stronger. Green screen is off. Oh yeah, thank you very much. Let me turn on the green screen. What engine are you using? This is a C++ engine that I made myself, but it's based on this engine right here. It's very technical, a lot of coding, but basically that's the engine that I use. So it's my own. Let's see. Foliage. Ah, that sucks, man. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to have to do this. That fucking sucks. Fine. We'll do this really quickly. Load, level. And then we change the version of the level. Current version to 3. And when we load the level, case number 1. If we have case number 2, then we have foliage old, which in this case is this without the shadow ID. That's the foliage old. And when we copy over the foliage, we have to create a foliage old, and then for the new one, we basically generate fold.collider radius. There we go. I think that should load in the levels properly. That was actually quite fast, so not too worried about this. However, I do have to delete the levels now, or soon, because they are completely black. Hey chat, Twitch or YouTube? I see it in the chat. Should I watch Twitch or YouTube? It's your own decision, bro. What you like more. I read both chats, but I'm a little bit faster on Twitch than on YouTube, because YouTube chat is a little bit further to the right for me to read. So, yeah, I can't make the window so small that it only shows the... Yeah. Alright, let's see. It should, in theory, assert array full. Why? What the fuck? Okay, there's something going wrong here. Definitely wrong. Oh, yeah. Level old. Is this. Oh my god. No, not like this. More people here. Wow. Hello there, sir. Yeah. Twitch is more people than on YouTube. Emperor Arctus Mengsk. Oh man, you really like that guy? He was a bad person, bro. There we go. Now there's got to be some issue here. What is that? F old? Oh yeah, foliage old. Hello Reticide, good morning. Yeah, it's true, Cakez did a community engine project. Then after people committed a bunch, he just yoinked it for his own game and made it closed source. Shut the fuck up. I don't even have the Linux path on my fucking own machine. You're wrong. Goodness. Alright, let's see. Let's take a look at the level. We have 10 starting gold per second. Background looks good. Version 3. Ambient color. Looking nice too. We have 1 path. We have 30 foliage. 2 point lights. Looking good. Ah, nice. Okay, so what did I do now? I disconnected, hopefully successfully, disconnected the obstacles. Ah, but it doesn't work here. I hate that. Man, that sucks. I need to have a better solution. This got to be better. How do I do this? Ah, how? I can't disconnect the shadow from every single foliage object, can I? That looks bad. Just ignore Cakez. He sometimes has a bit of memory problem in code and with his brain. He's an average German. What's the new game after Cakez? I'll tell you later. How do I do this? It's so annoying that transparent objects can't write to the def buffer. It would be cool.
Don't market it.
It would be cool.
Will come to you.
Oh my god! It would be cool if the fully opaque part would write to the def buffer. Hello, real super cool. Hope you're doing good. God damn it! How do I do this? I mean, I can still draw.
Hi.
I mean, the easiest solution is to just make it lit. Huh. I mean, essentially, we could do that. I didn't commit, did I? Because I'm stupid, did I? Yep, I didn't commit. Hell yeah! That means we have to redo the change. Isn't that nice? Let's go back one version. Oh, man. There we go. Okay, I think that works. Hopefully I can just go back one version. I enjoy the pulse effect. Yeah, it's a good one. I wasn't expecting to face this many issues. Let's take a look at the level. Yeah. Let's see. Foliage. One element. Has still the shadow ID. Stop. Foliage should no longer have a shadow ID. Goodbye. There we go. Who the fuck put on the worst fail song ever? I don't know who it was. Oh, man. What is it? What is Cakez doing? What I'm trying to do is make the circle behind the trees. Watch. I want the circle to be behind the trees. Now, the easiest solution would be to make the circle lit. Let's see. Here, get rid of the rendering option unlit. And then it's behind. You see this? We could do this. Render the opaque part of the tree using the depth buffer. Yes, I thought about that. Guys, I thought about that. That's what I just did. There's no Sir O here. Okay, Sanya, there is no Sir O. Okay, Sanya, there is no Sir O. Okay? I literally just did that. However, the issue is, you see the tiny little shadows here? I would have to literally, for every single foliage object that I do, I would have to create a separate sprite just for the shadows. You know? Tank, thank you very much for following. Excuse me. That's the issue. I can't just do that. Maybe I'll just keep it like this, but the issue with this is that it's affected by lighting. You see that? How if I turn on lights and then you see how the circle changes color? That's the issue. But maybe it's okay. What do you guys think? It's fine if it's affected by light. You think? It looks good in all variations, it's okay. I mean, what about this? What about this? I can do this here. I can add another rendering option. Maybe you guys are onto something here. Shader header. Rendering option unlit. I kind of want to change these from 20 and then that's 21. And this is rendering option attack, range, outline. There we go. I just added one more here. And then in the game, I draw the same quad twice. Yeah. But this time I give it not the rendering circle, I give it the outline. Yeah. And I make it unlit. Take a look at this. Huh? Wait a minute. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, wait. And it's... No, wait. Huh? Wait, no. Huh? As long as it's not affecting functionality, I think it's fine. It matches the rest of the aesthetic for it to be darker in the night. Huh? That makes no sense. Oh man, like, guys, am I tripping balls? Do I literally have to go back in the vault to see what I did here? Huh? Guys, it's just not working for me right now. It's not my type of music, and I'm actually getting irritated right now. I'm getting irritated because I'm doing something wrong. That shouldn't happen. That shouldn't happen. That shouldn't happen. That shouldn't happen. This shouldn't happen. I'm discarding it. That shouldn't happen. No, it shouldn't happen. This shouldn't happen. This shouldn't happen. That shouldn't happen. Huh? Maybe I had to restart. So, like, guys, I'm tripping balls. I'm actually tripping. I'm really getting angry right now. I'm tripping balls. There's no way. I want something else. Yeah, Valheim, that's fine. Huh? I had like a second ago. Oh, I'm getting angry. I'm getting really angry right now. I'm getting angry right now. Okay. I'm really getting angry right now. So it's checking for this range outline boolean. Okay. Stop it! Okay. Wait. What the fuck is going on? I'm discarding here, bro. Oh my god, I'm a fucking moron. I'm a fucking moron. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It's insane. I can't believe this. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no. So, like, I'm wondering, okay, why does it not go into this function right here? Why do you not go into this function? Well, because it doesn't go into this function because I don't have the rendering option to draw an attack range circle. And therefore, it just goes here. So, oh my god. Ah, damn it! And this assertion really pisses me. It's starting to piss me off, you know. You're starting to piss me off every time there's this assertion, you know. Fuck you. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry! Essentially what we need to do is have this thing here as well. Please work. Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh yeah. Do you see the outline? Just like in balloons. Hell yeah. Do you see that outline? Dude. Yeah. Oh-ho. Hey, 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 hey. The line is on the tree. That's why that's supposed to happen, brother. It's supposed to happen. Look when the outline is behind the tree. The outline will never be behind the tree. It can't be. Scuffed? Hey guys, it can't be behind the tree. What are you talking about? Huh? You stupid? Anyways, we are going to program line of sight today. today. So we are going to do this. I will place this guy here. Okay. And give him a lot of range. And I'm going to place a tree. Oh, sorry about that. Right next to him. Like that. And so... now I have to basically get rid of the circle on my hand for a second. Let's get rid of this. If 0. And if. He made the engine with help. Wrong. Yeah, with some help, but most of it is my doing. You're wrong. Outline is messed up behind the tree. No, it's not. What are you talking about? Eh? Wait, is it? Guys, the outline is not messed up behind the tree. What are you talking about? It is actually 100% real. It's not pure top-down, guys. Take a look at the red. Take a look at the red slice. It is not fucked up behind the tree. Top tree? Yeah, but it's correct. I know what you mean. It's the perspective, guys. It is still correct. I cannot shoot in... Guys, it's fine. It's correct. Outline is the wrong color? No, it's not. Guys, it's not. Trust me. Let me show you. So you're talking about this here, right? But if we take a middle point. If we take this middle point. And, I mean, it's not really that middle point. But here somewhere. This is the middle point. And then we draw a line straight here. So. This is the attack radius that you can attack in. It is correct. You are able, when you are here, you are able to shoot an arrow in this direction. It's because the range is so large. But it's still correct. You know? Yeah, like it was your work with that ellipse collision works at the... am I right? Yeah, that wasn't my work. You're right. Okay, anyways. So, yeah. I know what you guys mean. But it's correct. It is mathematically correct. Okay, guys? Anyways, draw, attack. Wait. I need those two here. Copied. Point and click indicator. There we go. Okay. We need to draw those two. The first one is the circle. Excuse me. And the second one is the outline, where I want to take the color, but I want to multiply the alpha of the color by 0.8. Okay. Now, oh shit, I didn't even draw that. Hello, Cakez. Any progress on the orange and blue pie? Yes, it actually works now correctly. Now I have to make it work on the one unit that I'm clicking on. And so let's see. Where do I do that? Where's that code happening? Actually, is that in foliage? Obstacles add. Obstacle dot add. Where's that happening? Here. And that happens in... Oh, I see. This happens here. Okay. That needs to happen when we draw this. It doesn't really matter where, but I guess here. Okay. So we go through the obstacles. Distance squared and radius squared. How do we get the distance squared? Shouldn't that be in the for loop here? We have a foliage, collider radius, direction, distance squared. Yeah, we need radius squared. And that is the diameter. Okay, radius squared. Let's get that here. Okay. I want to really get to line of sight today, because that's cool. Eh? Oh, I see. This guy is thinking of clown. That's really toxic. I don't know why this guy is thinking of clown. Aha. Ja. Ja. Should I get rid of this? Should I get rid of this now? Since we have this down there. I think we can. My man, thank you very much for following, Muradiv. Good morning. Yeah, we get rid of this. We don't need to do this anymore. And then we also don't need to... I think draw that. Cool. Now you can see that for this guy, he should not be able to attack down here. Okay, and I think I made a dumb mistake. I want to place this guy somewhere here, so that he cannot attack units here, but he can start attacking them there. Let's see. So, when a unit comes here, he should not be able to attack them. How do we do this? That is, let's do K. That is a function called is line, wait, or line of, wait, I programmed that yesterday. In sight, underscore sight. Oh my god! Sorry about that, underscore sight. Are you kidding me? I programmed that yesterday. I programmed it yesterday. I drew the function. What was the name? Vision. Aha. Okay, that's a dumb name. Sorry about that. I should have called it is in sight. I don't know who thought that is in vision was a good idea. You've programmed no such thing yesterday. I did. You're wrong. See? You're totally wrong. And because you're so wrong, I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay. Guys, it's 5 minutes. What did you say? Hi there, just discovered through YouTube. I watched a bit of the Zig video and the Odin video. Oh god. So I decided to check out the social links. And to my great surprise, you're alive. Yeah, hello there, sir. Muradiv. Yeah, I mean, sir, like, you basically got me on like the wrong foot there on the Zig video, you know. I'm not actually usually that mad, okay? The Zig video was just, I had a bad day, okay? Usually I'm just very nice. You called it Is Inside and you renamed it. You know why I think I renamed it? Because someone in chat told me to do so, yeah. Like, I'm usually very wholesome and relaxed, actually, so, yeah. Okay, how do we do this? We need to go through the foliage. We need to get the foliage, but we can do a const on the foliage. Hä? Site? Const. Foliage reference here. And that should not be called F, but foliage. Now that we have that, do we need to get the sprite? No. We just need... Then if we don't have a collider radius, then we just continue, because, well, there's no collision. Relaxed. We just saw you get mad like 10 minutes. Do you have proof? I don't see any proof. Who said to rename it? Show yourself. Bro is delusional. We can draw the circuits just so that we know what circuits we're talking about. Angry streamer. Fabs to clap down. My proof of today. I'm not clicking this. This is hearsay. Absolutely not. Blame it on chat classic. Nimada. Hello. Long time no see. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Thanks again for the CPU. Appreciate it very much. You're a giga chat. Deepfake. Yeah, it's a deepfake. Angry streamer. I mean, he's German. He's angry by default. We are not actually angry by default. Guys, I have a question for you. Now, I have this weird thing, you know, where I like Dortmund, which is a German soccer team. And whenever I watch them, they lose. I'm not kidding. Every time I watch them, they lose. I never watch soccer, but you know, sometimes my friends ask me, well, you want to come over for soccer? And I'm like, why not? Why not? And then every time, they lose, without fail. And now the same thing happens, I think, with the German team. Before Germany got, not World War, not the World War, the World Championship in soccer, which, I don't know when was that? 2010, guys? 2012? I don't remember when it was. But back then, I was like a hardcore gamer. I never left the room. I never did anything. I never talked to anyone. I would just game every day. And, you know, my brother would come into my room, ask me if I wanted to watch the game, and I told him to close the door, you know, because I was busy playing the games. I think I was playing League of Legends at that point, so I was really addicted. It must have been League of Legends. And so that was the time when Germany won the World Championship. And then I was like, you know, a couple of years later, when I started playing soccer myself, I got a little bit more into watching soccer. But Germany started doing atrociously bad. And so now Germany is doing better in the, you know, European, whatever that's called, you know, the European shit thing. And so I'm invited today again. But if I watch today, they're gonna lose. 100%. Should I go? You're German calling soccer on there? Germany will lose in any case. They're gonna lose to Spain anyway. Bro's cursed. You should not feel bad. Listen, man. The moment I started watching Germany for the World Cup, they didn't even make it out of the group stage, as far as I know. Like, so it got so bad. Nah, man. Deutschland is gonna win 2-1. Bro, how many devs have you been doing this circle thing? Hey! What are you talking about, bro? We're doing line of sight right now. That is not the circle thing, okay, bro?
And it's really important. Do I need to remind you that the guy we watched yesterday spent an entire year on his game mechanics, only to have the same game after 1 year?
Huh? Ollie?
I don't want to be like Cakez.
We are ranting about Shitsu soccer beliefs. Yeah, because I'm getting mentally ready for a tough task on how to do line of sight. Guys, I want to test something before we do this. Why is this red? Is this red? Is in range. Why is this red?
Am I so out of touch?
I know why.
No.
BenRail17 is gifting 1 sub to the
My
community.
man, Ben Rail, thank you so... Fuck you, actually. No, actually, that's not a thank you for that. You're just gifting it to a toxic person. No. Thanks for the money, bitch. Yeah, thank you. You just wasted your money. Sub goal increased by 10 again. Yeah. In Scratch, drawing a circle would just be dragging the draw circle back. Can we change the subject? There's a Brazilian, it triggers me so bad. You know what's funny? My brother came into my room as well during that time, you know, before Germany won the cup. And he's like, hey, we just won, I think it was 7-1 against Brazilian. And I'm like, damn, cool. Now close the door. But I was like, you know, that got a damn cool out of me. Yeah. I was like, huh? How's that work? Because usually Brazil, you know, the Brazilian team was like really good. And they would always win. And funnily enough, years later, I actually watched the Brazilian against Germany, Brazil against Germany match again. And was like, oh goodness, they got obliterated. Holy shit. How many days has it been? Oh, TCAP. Fuck you, bitch. Delete the message. It's funny, you know, how you can be like a first-time chatter and immediately have your message removed, huh? We're not standing for toxicity here, bro. Okay, so, like, what I want to do first is the following. I want to draw a line from 0, 0 to input, mouse position world. Whenever we have something selected, that should draw me a line right now. Okay. Oh, do I not have this guy? I don't. It's not drawing that. Sir, draw me the line, sir. Draw me the line. Oh, I see. It's not doing this. Wait. Then we go into... Wait. Mark this as A and then go to update game. I hate fat fingering. It's so annoying. Update game. Oh my god, please. Just update game. Can you please stop fat fingering, man? Come on. Update game. Thank you. And then debug. Over here. So I want to draw a line. Sorry about that. Oh. Draw a circle. Now, why am I doing this? It's really important. Actually, I draw a circle around the mouse position world. Oh yeah, I need a radius. Let's say we have 20 radius. And then I want to draw a line that goes from, let's say 100. Well, let's say world size dot x divided by 2 down into the middle. So let's say 10 and 260, something like that. Now we have this line that starts from the middle and goes down here. Now, why am I drawing this? Because I want to draw it in red. Material. Color is color. And I'm pretty sure we have color right now, right? Because I want to test if we have line circle collision. And so for that we need vec to A, B, and then stop it. Circle C. Circle C would be the input mouse position word. And then 20. A and B would be 10 and 260. And then it would be, let's see, what was that again? Word size.x divided by 2 and 0. Yeah. And then, let's see, line circle. Yeah. If we have line circle intermission, I just want to test if my function works or not. So A, wait, that would be A, B, C. Can you stop? A, B, C. Yeah. Then I want to set the color to red. Here we go. And then we have the color here for the line. And we just have to supply A, B, and C. So what is that? That was B. That is A. And this is... can I just draw a circle with C? I can. Cool. Now let's see if this collision detection actually works. Because there's no point in programming something with a collision detection that doesn't work. Aha, it does work. Cool. Very important. Oh. It doesn't work. It does not work. So, that's an issue. I was hoping that this would work. Great. Fuck, why does it not work?
Gotcha, bitch.
Daydreamer 2, thank you very much for following, man. And where are you from, sir? I'm from Germany. Wait, what did you do, Mr. Almeida? It's mandatory military service, normally it's 60 months, but I paid money to go only 1 month? Oh man. Really? It's in Turkey? Hello, Inukai. Reminds me of your stream. Every time I watch, I lose nails. Okay, he's retracting messages right now. Hello there, Laleth, on YouTube. Good morning. God damn it! So it does work here, but it doesn't work in the other direction. Why? Maybe we can fix the line circle collision detection. If point is in circle, then obviously we have true here. Get the length of the line. Get the dot product of the line and the circle. Find the closest point on the line. At this point, actually on line segment. If no, keep going. Then it does the distance and checks it with the radius. Don't tell me now, 30 minutes later, after I said non-toxic messages. Multi-stream on Twitch as well. I might as well join there. Easier for me. Sure, bro. Of course, come over. This sucks. Oh, god damn it. I thought I could do this. Is there no line circle collision detection that's easy to copy from the internet, man? Line versus circle. C code. Circle line segment collision detection algorithm. E is the starting point of the ray, L is the end point of the ray, C is the center of the sphere, R is the radius of the sphere. Compute. D. The direction of the vector of the ray from start to end. F. The vector from the center of the sphere to the ray start. Oh my god, why do you not write code? Ah, there we go. Impale? Poke? Did I just arrive to yoink-oriented programming? they're gonna make fun of me, man. I can't do that real super cool. If Germany had mandatory 1-year military service, would you go or would you pay to avoid it? I would go. For the experience. I think it's actually worth doing it for a limited amount of time to essentially get to know how to handle weapons, how to defend yourself, how to maybe survive in the wild. I don't know what else. Like, you get fit in shape as well. Don't fear, we will make fun of you either way. Take the code so we can go, so we can get it over with. Didn't get cakes in the message. What? Alright, let's break it down, bruv. Kiss, Azenris, just to shut him up for once with his crying emojis. Kill Athar Altos, because he keeps popping in and out to make fun of me. Get lost, man. Marry Athano. We should argue endlessly about web tech versus real tech, and it should be an endless source of entertainment. Plus, he's a gentleman, so here's that. Happy now, Eisenres? Keep your wholesome vibes and check for once. Minor spelling mistake. Probably boils down to the same approach. Line, point, distance, compare. Line point should not be dot product with the line's normal, which is just... Line point should be dot product. Why is the streamer bouncing? I'm sitting on a wall, on a ball. So, that's why. Hello, mister. Fine, I'll go take a look at Mr. Real Super Cool's code. You guys can say what you want.
Long life, Charles. Game demo. Marketing.
Fine. Alright.
Steam Next Fest. All scam. Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger. Good game will sell nonetheless.
Does it matter which
the
position
money
it
will
is?
come to you.
Is that really line? Did he really just program the entire thing for me? It's like a spoiler to a movie, man. He just spoiled the entire movie for me, man. I appreciate it, of course, but it's like... He uses SO. So mostly he whines on stream until Superku or someone else in chat provides the solution. What else do you use to figure out code problem apart from Stack Overflow? He rarely uses... Shut the fuck up! I'm not taking real Superku's code now. Oh, man. But will you copy it wrong and spend 5 hours fixing it so there will be no... I'm gonna ban this guy. Okay, let's see. Make 2 A, 2 B. Fine. A minus B. I typed A. Or is it B minus A? 2 from, right? So B minus A. Float. Project onto direction enemy. No, I just want line circle collision. I just want line circle collision. Man, it's a spoiler. I wanted to find it out myself. No, I can't do it, guys. And why does Stack Overflow always... This looks so complicated. It's just a distance check. Seems to work if I do straight copy-paste, but I'm looking to understand it though. So like, here's what I don't understand with these people. Why is it always gotta be so fucking difficult to read when they write code here? Like A, B, C. This. Impale. And then when I read code that is used in game engines, it's this. They write math, not code, yeah. It's literally just this. They need to type fast to have the approval. Yeah, I guess you're right, bro. Man. But you will copy it wrong and spend 5 hours. Okay, bro. Fine, guys, I'll take option B. But I want to understand where the line circle collision is in this. Direction to obstacle. Project onto direction to enemy. Why though? Why do things need to take effort to understand? True, true. But I'm looking for C code. And it's entirely different when Real Supercook posts this than what I see here. Maybe there's a better solution somewhere down the line. Distance, segment to point. Returns the distance from a line segment to a point C. Compute vectors AC, AB. This is already like... Shouldn't it be 2 points in a circle? From a line segment to a point. Ah, okay. That's actually what we need. Get the point D by taking the projection of AC onto AB, then adding the offset of A. D might not be on AB, so calculate K of D down. Like, I hate that. I fucking hate that. Like, what is this? How do people write this? God. I wrote a small script to test the intersection by projecting the circle center point onto the line. Vector, distance vector, center point, projected point. He's already starting with the projected point, which he doesn't have. How do people write this code? How are they so stupid? Sorry to say that so bluntly, but if you need to check collision with the segment, you also need to consider the circle center distance to start and end points. Taking P1 and P2 as the points for the line and C as the center point for the circle and F for the radius. I would solve the... Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. This guy asked... Wait, he just asked for the... detection algorithm. So maybe I just... Line, circle, intersection. Hello, code! Code! I'm looking for code! I can't believe this, man. Like, what is this internet? What is this internet, bro? What the fuck am I looking at? Bro. Like, the internet is full of trash. It's insane. Line, circle, collision detection. Jeffrey Thompson. Okay. Boolean. Inside circle. If inside, return true. Point circle. Yeah. Next, we need to get the closest point on the line. Distance x, distance y, square root. It's already a square root in there. Then a crazy dot product. Finally, we can use this equation to find the closest point on the line. On segment, line point. On segment, return false. Finally, we get the distance from the circle to the closest point. Why is it always so much? Why is it always so much? I just don't understand these guys. I just don't understand this. Like, why is it always so... Sorry that I complain so much, but in my opinion, just fucking write the easiest code possible. Fine. I'll take this. Well, do the simple algorithm yourself. I will. Bool, line, circle, 2. Vec 2a, vec 2b, circle c. There we go. Now let's see. What do we have here? I need to keep that. Point in circle. We need a point and a circle. The point in this case would be x1, y1. So that would be A. And then the circle. C. Hey, Cakez, you look good today. What did you change? I do look good. Cakez, by the way, I looked at my code and there's a mistake. It needs to be T times direction to enemy and not T times direction to obstacle. Don't be jealous, Cakez, calling them stupid just because they write the solution without making the code looks like some ugly clown fianza is rude. Don't care, man. Don't care. Like, I literally wrote C code into Google Engine. And it gave me some stupid math bullshit, which is not what I want. Okay, bro? And at the end of the day, it is actually really simple. I don't need to do all of these calculations because I can just project the line. Like all of these calculations are so wasted. It's insane. Because it just boils down to projecting a point on the line, taking that point, and then taking the other point, and now you have 2 points, and then checking the distance between the 2 points, and then having a radius check against that. It's so simple. So, where is the... Find the closest point on the line. Okay, so, find the closest point on the line. What is dot? Get the dot product from the line and the circle. Okay. So the line would be, let's create that line. Float, no, vector to line. Line would be, and it doesn't matter whether it's A to B or B to A, because it's a fucking line. So what we do is, the line is A minus B. Boom. There we have it. Now that we have the line, we can get the, wait. Get the dot product of the line and the circle. Hey, stop it. Now we have the line and then we do dot from the line. Because that works. Float. I have to get rid of this. Did I call this dot? Yes, I did. But it's 2 vectors. Okay. So I guess we do dot product from A and B. And that would then be... But that returns like a vector too. It returns a float? Get the closest point on the line. Okay, guys. What am I doing wrong here with the dot product? Find the closest point on the line. First take the square root, then the square, then square the value again. Oh. You need to learn distance from plane, it's just on one less dimension, as it's just on one less dimension. You tell us you understand it perfectly, you know what the code is shit. It should just be a dot product 2 times, right? Okay, I'm assuming that this is the closest point. So that may be a.x and a.y. Plus I don't know what dot is. Isn't the problem that your point on the circle you're going to use the check with a line? That's the tricky part. Okay, like, listen. There's got to be project line. No, project point onto line. 2D. Projected point onto line. How do we do this? Okay. C code. How do I project a point onto a line? You can do something like this. Direction is line -1. Normalize. Point minus line P. Dot direction. Direction dot direction. Return. So funny to see other devs get mad. This is so stupid. No, you don't need to do it this way. Projection of a point on a line defined by 2 points. Are you fucking kidding me, man? Are you kidding me, man? What are they doing? Maybe here. Huh? It kind of looked correct. Listen, man. It doesn't look correct because essentially, where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is it? I get so mad. It's insane. I get so mad because these solutions are so shitty. The only thing that you really need to do is do a dot product. Like, you really only need a dot product. I thought you said you were relaxed. I'm relaxed, yes. I'm totally relaxed. 100%. Okay, C#. This is going to be it. You're loading? Get projected point online. We have a to project line in a direction. You're not making a Mars rover for NASA if your calculations want to shit. No, it's important because every single enemy and every single hero in the game is going to use this function. And if this function is bad, then we have an issue, bro. I can't just make it easily because there's going to be hundreds of enemies and hundreds of more enemies are going to use this function to determine whether they can attack a hero. This has to be first code, then optimize. I know what he's doing. He's looking for a super cool answer, but the internet to yoink is call it done it yourself, not yoink from super cool. Yeah, I'm going to yoink from the internet, exactly. I'm not going to yoink from super cool. No. Okay, wait, but I have an idea. I have an idea. Let's mark this here. No. I just wanted to mark this here. And then we do... Give me a second. The C# code looks correct. What I don't understand, Cranky, is how can he do it in literally like 2 seconds? Like these little lines of code. And why is this so much? That's just what I don't understand. I'm just gonna take it and let's see. Pointers parameter. Like there's a lot of functions in there. Because he uses dot and the C# uses the dot product inline. Abstractions. Okay, fine. Let's see. So other point. I don't know what that means. Projection, direction. So we have the other point here. We already have that. That would be the line here. So we don't need these two. Now we have the line. And then what is this? To project. I don't even know what to project means. Like, why is it so difficult for people to do a proper function? We have a point A, a point B, and a fucking circle. Or a point. Like, we have 3 points. Why do they need to do a to project, a line, in a direction? That's so stupid. It's literally just 3 points. The first one is the line. The first 2 are the lines. The last one is the point. I just don't get it. Why are these people so stupid? Can they not write proper parameters? Happy Friday. Oh, I'm having a great Friday right now. Yay! Okay. Thought the door was open. Okay. Let's see here. Now. Other point. Minus 2 project. So the 2 project is the point. Right? That would be the circle position. Okay, let's see. A 2 project is C dot center. So vec2 point is C dot origin. C dot origin. There we go. Okay, cool. Now we have the line and the point. Next. It is doing... What is A1? Again. Ah, that's the line. Okay, it's multiplying the line by the start. Okay, so essentially it's doing the point. What? Minus? A? Hey? That is, I don't know. And then they do know 1.x. Multiply that by BL, which is line.y. And they do know 1.y and multiply that by line.x. And then they minus those together. But the other way around, so x last. Is that the dot product? Found the simplest solution? It's gonna be making fun of me, 100%. Fucking piece of shit. Okay, wait, Abef. He's writing the bot, but I'll see you in 7 minutes. Bitch. Okay. Okay, now what am I doing here? It is the start point minus the other point. So it's like vector dono 2 is a minus the point in this case. Salty? I'm not salty. I'm not salty. Float T2 is... Wait, that's supposed to be T2. And then this is T1? And then what do we do here? We take APL. What is even APL? What are these names, man? APL. Other point X to project X. So that's Dono. Wait. Oh my god, I can't follow this! It's impossible to follow because you have such shitty naming conventions, bro! It's impossible to understand! Who the fuck thought that this is a fucking great idea to write it this way? Bro, I just cannot understand how some idiot on the internet can be so stupid! God, how can you follow this? It's literally point, point, and point! It's so easy! How can people be so stupid? It's literally done on purpose. This has to be on purpose. I can't believe this. It has to be on purpose. Oh my god. What about radius? No, we're purely talking about line and point. We are purely talking about a stupid line and a point. Okay? It's that simple. The only thing I need to do, like I use my brain, I just need to project a point in space onto a line in space. So essentially the only thing, the essence of what I need is 3 points in space. 2 of the points build a line and the other point is the point. It's that simple. But when someone goes and does APL, BPL, T1, T2, double AL and double BL, I'm like, what are you talking about? These are points, bro. What is this guy talking about? And it's too difficult to understand because it's I just can't. If it's so easy, make it the easy way and show people. I try to, bro. I just don't know the maths on projecting a point onto a line. That's the only thing I need to learn. But these people just try to do it on purpose to make it as difficult to understand as possible. A point 1, B point 1 is not an L. There's no way this is a 1. This is an L, bro. This is an L. Look, I'm typing some L's because I'm catching them right now. P minus A dot B minus A divided by B minus A dot B minus A. You need to project onto a line segment, not just a line. Otherwise you will hit obstacles behind the Tangy or enemy. Yeah, okay, fine. That's okay. Onto a line segment, right? Point is the point, A and B are the end points of the line. Fine, I'll try that. I don't even know how you do dot here. Like point dot, I don't understand point dot. Like what does point dot mean, Magetsap? Because in my case, a dot product is done on a vector too. Huh? What does dot mean? Dot dot. Like the dot, like the sign, and the dot, the name. So what you mean by that is dot point, right? So that would be the point minus A and then B minus A. Right, that. And then over here, divide that by dot product from a B minus A again with B minus A twice. And what do we get here? That's a float. What is that supposed to be? That's just a float. That's not a projection point. What screen size is this? Seems so big. No, it's the normal. It's like 1980 something. It will give you the factor on which P part is projected on the line. Okay. Goodness, I can't believe that it's so fucking difficult to fucking have a line and it's... I can't believe this, bro. I just can't believe this, brother. That's what she said. Your mommy. What about your mommy? Oh. He meant to say your head is too big today. How can you divide a dot by a dot? It doesn't make any sense. You can clamp the factor between 0 and 1. Okay, let's try this. Vec2 point is c.origin. Here we go. Now we have the point. Yeah. Now we have the point. He is the brain rot. Don't we all? I think Cakez has brain rot. Yeah, Rocco. Like, yeah, that, yeah. Dot product is not an actual dot. Yeah, dot product is this, essentially. You multiply both of the components with each other. Let's see. Now we have the penis, right? That's the factor. So I guess we get a vector 2 direction, which is... I don't like that. There's got to be a way to do this without the direction. But actually, maybe that works. A minus B. Right? Or is it B minus A? Do I have to do B minus A here or A minus B? I'll try both. Doesn't matter. If it's inversed, then we'll do the other one. And then we do vec2 projected point is A plus direction times penis. And then we draw a UI quad on the projected point using a size of 4. And we don't draw the color red here thing, we just draw this. And then, yeah, I want to put this on... Shut up! Material is color red. And I want to draw this UI change layer by 1. Come on, don't fat finger right now, sir. By -1, like this. Oh yeah, the schnitzel lab is now completely fucked. Let's see here. Yeah, let's go, and this can go eat a dick. I don't really mind. Here we go. Not sure what that is. Goodbye. Now let's see. Do we get a projected point in the game? I don't see a point. It didn't build. It was complaining about something. Okay. I don't see... Hey, wait, why is it still turning red? Is it building or not? Doesn't seem like it's building to me. Huh? I literally just changed this. I never turned this to red anymore. Eh? What the fuck? Why is this still going red? I don't understand. Eh? I never changed the color to red. Ellipse collision. Ah, I see. This has to do with that. Yo, bro, can you tell me what technology you're using to make this game? I'm a noob. Like, what language and game engine? C++ and and mostly just C++ code, but I have a tutorial. But bro, like telling you, if you want to watch the tutorial, direction is B minus A. Fine, we'll try B minus A. That is the first thing that I wanted to try anyways. However, it still doesn't draw me anything on the... Oh, now it does. Actually, that's the closest point. Thank you. Cool. Is that the most efficient way to get a point on the line? So see what I mean? So essentially, you need... Yeah. It's very good. Okay, let's see here. Get rid of this dog shit. Line circle is essentially a vector project point onto line, and then it takes a vector to A, vector to B, and a vector to P for the point. And then essentially all we need to do, fucking hell. God damn it! Relax. Relax! My main code green, thank you.
Thank you for $3. No coffee today. You are too stressed. So here's a couple of bucks for a chamomile tea. Have a hippie zen moment for a bit. Also for the chat, if you were one of the spammer that kept redeeming Sag, F you. If not, kisses and love to all.
Big retard, don't help.
My gets up. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much for helping me with this. I was literally gonna go insane. I can do this rest myself, the circle on 9. I saw that coming. Yeah, no. Thank you, my goodness. Okay, fine.
Directory to that. No, direction to this.
To that.
And that worked.
It's so easy now. You see this? Point. Point. It's like a factor. The thing is though, does it exclude? I need to clamp the factor. I get it now.
Oh my god.
Let's call this point actually.
Oh my god, what a day, man. What a fucking day.
Oh yeah, I have had many of these.
Oh my god.
I've had many of these days.
I just can't anymore.
That was Godot, guys.
Oh my god, and the me and engines, man.
Yeah.
The fucking UI rotates even here. What?
Now, line circle is actually very easy. We get the vector projected point is project point onto line, then A, B, and then C dot origin. There we go. Now that we have a projected point, we return point in circle. That's how easy it is, guys. That is how easy it is. We project the point and then we check whether it is inside the circle. That's all we need to do.
So who said on the internet that it's supposed to be this difficult?
Look at this. It's literally 5 lines of code, bro. Literally fucking 5 lines of code. There's no A to B and point in circle and then length and then dot product and then closest and then on segment. And then another distance tag. It doesn't do any of that shit. Oh my god. I'm losing my mind. Goodness. What's the end goal here? The end goal here is to have, when I place a unit, and let me give him some weapons, some money, to calculate line of sight with obstacles. So for example, if I place this guy really close to this here, and I give him a lot of good shit, he's never supposed to attack in this direction. So if an enemy is here, he's not supposed to attack, but the moment an enemy is here, he can start attacking. That's the idea of it, okay? And in order to program this, I need to know whether a circle is colliding with a line, because the line will be from my unit to the enemy. And if my unit is close enough to the enemy so that he can attack, we need to check whether the circular collider of the tree, because they all have a circular collider, let's say it's this circular collider right here where the mouse is essentially colliding with the line towards the enemy. If it is, he is behind an obstacle and I cannot attack. That's why I'm doing this. It's literally like an idea from Bloons and how they do. It looks slightly off, not a proper 90 degree. It looks okay to me. Looks okay to me. No, it looks okay to me. See? Maybe it's just like a, how do you say that? An optical illusion. Could be. Look how easy this is. See, like if someone asked me now, can I get a... And by the way, point and circle is actually, it's just this, okay? Like this is not something crazy, right? It's literally 3 lines of code as well, okay? You have a bug, I think? Cakez, why not just check if the angle between the tower and the enemy is in the wrong orange portion? I can do that too. We can do the angle check. That's also possible, right? But then I have to deal with like the start and end angles again. It's possible too. Like there's multiple solutions to this, right? We can get 2 angles and then check the angle. We can also get if in angle. Yeah, like if in angle. That's true. You have a bug, I think. Where do you think is the bug? If an angle is just 1 line of code. No, it's not, because you have to generate those two angles first. These are 2 angles. Well, if an angle, yeah, well, you have to generate a starting angle and an end angle. Then you get the interval, and then you check the other angle. So that's 3 angles. That's 3 times calling A10, and then you still have to do the if checks, whether it is in between those. And if it loops around, you have to inverse the if checks, you know? So it's not really that simple. Try a small line segment, project a point, can be outside the line segment. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. We need a clamp here. We need to clamp this from 0 to 1. I know that. We're going to try a line segment right now. So for example, if we go instead of to 260, we go to 150, something like that. Obviously now, that's bad. Wait, I need to go, let's not go to 10, but let's say to 100. That's a bit bitter. Invert the direction. See? Obviously we get this, right? It goes out, but what if we clamp? What if we clamp here? There we go. Already caught it, nice, yeah. So now it should... It doesn't work, guys. For some reason. Huh? That makes no sense. Wait, no, I'm an idiot. Guys, I'm stupid. We need to clamp the penis. From 0 to 1. I had duplicated code. Yeah, like I had duplicated code here. I was not calling that code. Yeah, now it's clamped. There we go. And now what we can do, essentially, do we have line circle here?
Gotcha, bitch.
Color red. We don't need that projected point anymore. We should be able to just get a red line the moment we collide. Cool. Now we finally have this. Awesome. I'm happy now. I'm really happy. That was the most difficult part of doing that. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. I'm running a little late, but it's important to get this to work. So now what can we do with this? Well, very simple. Underscore site is inside. Okay. Now when I click here, shouldn't it call is inside? Shouldn't it draw the circle here? No, it's not calling this. Unit. Or is this look for enemy to attack? Ah, there are no enemies. Of course. There are no enemies right now. That's fine. All right, so now we have the position and the radius of the foliage. That is going to be the circle in this case. And we are going to create a line. So if... First is... Well, if it's already in range. So let's make a comment here. Enemies... the target is in range because this function is called after the is in range function. So we already know that it's in range. Okay, very important. That means we can definitely attack it, but now we need to create a vector too. Actually, we just need to check if line circle. And that would be A would be the attacker. Position origin. B would be the unit or the target. Position origin. And the circle would be the foliage. Foliage position and foliage collider radius. If we have collision detection there, then we want to skip. We want to return false because it's colliding. If not, I think we get rid of all of this here. If not, we return true. Wow, is that already everything we need?
Gotcha, bitch!
Did I just program this, guys? Did I literally just program this? Now, the enemies will never reach this guy because of him. So we have to quickly rebuild this. Let's get rid of the line here. Update game. Debug. Let's not draw all of this stuff here. It's so crazy how much comments I have here just to test certain things. You know, I should probably group this here. Call this line circle. Oh, hey, come on, don't delete this. I never told you to delete this. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Here we go. To do. Then we have line circle here, very nicely packed. That should be gone now. Okay, guys, now here's what I want to try to do. I want to move this tree somewhere here. Something like this, okay? Now that we have the tree here and we place this guy right below next to the tree. I don't have collision detection with trees yet. I can place this guy literally on top of the tree. That's something I do next. First, we need to give him a lot of range. Okay, so he should not be able... Maybe he can attack here. Maybe I placed him wrong. Let's try that again. Maybe this. Alright, give him money. The one with the most range. I think this one is the one. And then we get this. Look at that. This guy has big range. Dude. Just deleting code and then using source control if you need to go back. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's see. Please tell me it works. Please tell me it works. It's a fucking slow, man. It's like a Zeitlupe in English. Oh! No! He's not attacking! No way! Oh! He's gonna attack soon now. Oh my god! Yes! I love this game. I love this game. Oh, the struggle. Why is he going backwards? He's not going backwards. What are you talking about? Huh? Maybe this clown is actually... You're getting banned. Bitch. Oh, finally. Yes! Okay, we're gonna upgrade brain power now. Oh, yes. I can't link the video, but it recommends the video Basic Math Edition for Kids, Noodle Kids Pre-K and Kindergarten Educational Video. I think I need to time out Mr. Inukai on YouTube. How did he hit him? Did he just hit him? Wait, how did he hit him? Huh? How? He got knocked back! I see! Funny. Yeah, he has knockback on the weapon. Nah, guys, it's the knockback. See what I... No, guys, this is knockback in the game. That's how it's supposed to be. Splash damage as well. Yeah, he has splash damage, of course. He has the best weapon he can get in the game, of course. It's interesting how he doesn't one-shot them, though. They should be one-shot. Maybe I need to make this stronger. He's hitting the second one in the attack area. Oh, you're right. Now, is that something I want to have happen? I think it's fine. Actually, is it? Yes, it's normal. Should be fine. It's fine. It's AoE damage. Yeah, I think it's okay. Splash damage behind obstacle. But splash damage seems fine. Only apply damage to enemies inside. Yeah, maybe. I mean, it could be a bug. Like, I know that in, for example, Path of Exile, this is definitely a bug. And there were a bunch of people abusing this mechanic, for sure. It's not a bug. Should be less damage. It's difficult to say, you know. I mean, he does swing through the tree, which, you know, obviously is odd. Chill out, bro. You got it working. I'm happy. I'm super happy, man. I'm super happy. What if he knocks them back into a corner? No, they always get knocked back towards the start of the round. Trees should have health and can be chopped. Oh, now I see. We can actually see the enemy behind the tree. First W, Cakez W in a while. It all adds up to this, man. The scale upsets me. The huge sword should mow down any tree. Don't give him more ideas for weird features. Nah, guys, I will keep it like this for now. Oh, wow, that's bad. The chest is behind this. There was a chest behind this. Okay. Goodness. What? Goodness. No, I'm happy. Let's do a good commit and push. Let's see here. I'm definitely committing and pushing this. Git add dot git commit. And by the way, real super cool. Thank you very much for your suggestion. I really appreciate that you take the time out of your day to, you know, write this code that is not even... It's not even useful for you, but it's just useful for me. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I mean it, you know. I didn't use it. I could have used your thing. I can now understand why you clamp, you know, the T value and stuff. Your stuff looks a little bit easier than what I wrote. So yeah, I really do appreciate that, you know. But chat is right. I can't always just lean on you to figure out the solution. But still.